Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to instantly boost PS5 speed, performance and even storage. Let's jump right into it. Before that, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Alright, the first thing you want to do is switch to your PS5 to performance mode. It's a small setting that makes a big difference, especially for games that support higher frame rates. Here is how to do it. Go to settings, head into save data and game app settings, select game presets and then choose performance mode. This tells your PS5 to prioritize smooth gameplay over fancy visuals by default. It's one of the quickest wins for better gaming. Next up, let's fine tune your display settings. From the main settings, go to screen and video and then video output. Now depending on your TV or monitor, not every option might be available. But if they are, make sure these three are set to automatic. Variable refresh rate VRR, 120Hz output, auto low latency mode ALLM. These settings help reduce lag, tearing and other annoying visual glitches. Basically your games will feel way more responsive. If you are gaming over Wi-Fi, this next tip can help reduce lag and improve download speeds. Go to settings, network, press the option button on your connected network, change the Wi-Fi frequency band to 5 GHz only. This ensures your console connects to the faster and more stable band, assuming your router supports it. Quick tip, if you play games regularly, I suggest you to connect PS5 console to modem using the LAN cable as it offers more stable internet connectivity as compared to Wi-Fi. If you are running low on storage, here is a quick fix. Go to settings, go into captures and broadcast, auto captures, trophies, change it from saving videos and screenshot of all trophies to just platinum and gold, or even just platinum if you want to save more space. And while you are at it, turn off auto capture challenge videos. Those can quietly eat up a lot of room on your SSD without you realizing. Here is something most people don't do, but you should. Once or twice a year, give your console a little tune up. Power off your PS5 completely. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep. That will boot into safe mode. First choose Clear System Software Cache. Then reboot into safe mode again and this time pick Rebuild Database. This helps clear out junk data and reorganize your system files. It's like giving your PS5 a mini spa day. Let's talk about DualSense controllers. It's great, but the battery life, not so much. Here is how to fix that. Go to Settings, Accessories, Controller, set controller indicator brightness to dim, change trigger effect intensity and vibration intensity to weak or off. Slide the controller speaker volume all the way down. Then go to Settings, System, Power Saving. Set time until controller turn off. Set it to after 10 minutes. These small tweaks can give your hour more playtime between charges. If you care about your privacy, this is must do. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Privacy, View and customize your privacy settings. Set your visibility preference to no one or close friends only. Then scroll down to control how your data is collected and used. Set data you provide to limited. Turn off everything under personalization. Set voice data collection to don't allow. This helps reduce data tracking, spam and unwanted friend requests. Now this one isn't free, but if you have got the budget, I highly recommend adding a M2 SSD. It gives you way more room for games and can reduce load times and improve frame rates in some cases. Just make sure the SSD you pick is officially supported and has a heatsink. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to get your PS5 running faster, smoother and more efficiently without spending a dime. If you find this video useful, drop a like. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these tips. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.